Hey everyone, quick challenge for you. Can you solve 3 minus 5 times 3 minus 5 in just 5 seconds? Go ahead, give it a shot. All right, let's break it down together. First, remember the order of operations. PEMDAS, parentheses first. So inside the parentheses, 3 minus 5 equals negative 2. Now the expression becomes 3 minus 5 times negative 2. Next, multiplication comes before subtraction. 5 times negative 2 equals negative 10. Now it's 3 minus negative 10. And subtracting a negative is the same as adding. 3 plus 10 equals 13. Final answer. 13. Did you get it? Be honest. Drop A if you nailed it. Now here's one for you. What's 7 minus 4 times 6 minus 9? Type your answer in the comments, and when you're done, click this video right here for the next awesome math trick you've probably never seen before.